Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1 where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2012 Kia Sorento. Customer's complaint is water, liquid on the passenger floor. If you have this issue, you probably have a plugged up condenser drain. Drains out water when you're usually using your air conditioning. Let's see if we can find it. Here's the exhaust underneath the vehicle, oil pan and drain plug. And you can just kind of see the hose. The hose goes behind the shield. Oh, there's a drop of water. So it goes behind that shield. Let's see here. I'm going to give it a blast of air and see what happens. Oh, there we go. So, happens once in a while. Dirt, debris, spider webs or something get plugged up in there and plugs it up. And then you have water sloshing around or leaking on your floor. So, not too bad of a fix. You get a long tube or something up there. You could actually just probably blow air with your mouth through it if you want. That is cleaning the condenser if you have water on your passenger floor, usually condenser drain plugged. Good luck to you.